The ideas of the world changed drastically during a period of time called the Scientific Revolution. The Scientific Revolution was a completely new way of thinking of the world, and many inventions were created during this time. The Catholic Church did not like what was happening because it caused people to rely on reason, not faith. People eventually accepted the ideas after a time. One of the first people to start the revolution was a Polish mathematician named Nicholas Copernicus, who created the heliocentric theory, which is the idea that the sun is in the center of the universe, and the theory that the planets orbited in ellipses, not perfect circles. Before Copernicus, everyone thought that the Earth was in the center of the universe. Another one of the scientists was a man named Galileo Galilei, a mathematics and engineering professor. He discovered Jupiter had moons and Saturn had rings. But when he tried to publish his book, the Inquisition made him say he was wrong and his ideas were false. Later, it was proven his ideas were correct.
One of the last major scientists to help the scientific revolution was Isaac Newton. He was the man who established the laws of gravity, and he got the idea to do this when a nearby apple fell from a tree. He discovered that white light was made of all the colors of light together. He was also the first to apply calculus to astronomy. He wrote a book called the Principia, and his ideas led to the principles of modern physics. He was also the first scientist to be knighted by a king. A man named Francis Bacon created the scientific method, which is still used today. The first thing to do is to find a question that you want to be answered. The second step in this method is to make a hypothesis, or a guess, about what you believe to be happening. Then you make a prediction based on your guess. You then test your predictions through experiments and observations. You finally modify your hypothesis based on your data. The scientific revolution conflicted a lot with the church. If the ideas of the scientific revolution were proven, the church would lose a lot of its power as people started to doubt their ideas. The Roman Catholic Church particularly did not like these ideas because it had more to lose than the other churches. The scientific revolution was a major breakthrough in science and astronomy and caused the world to progress through the years.